Hey there guys, I wanted to do a quick update on progress with oTToDev and open source Bold.New version, driven by community updates. I was working hard to add a couple of important features many of us wanted and wanted to share with you the updates today. And the main thing about them is this ability to finally import folders. But before I could do that, I needed to check how other things work and build some foundational things that this one is built upon, like importing chats, and even before that, duplicating chats and forking chats. Let's take a look at those first, and I will explain how Bold works internally and why these features are also important. So here I have a chat. Let's take a look. It's installing, and something didn't exactly go well. npm run dev. Oh, it's working. So yeah, you can see some animated text, and it's a chat. And we can ask it to make text crop. Wait a little bit. I'm using a newer, slower model of Gemini, so it's not as fast as Flash. Okay, it wrote code. Let's see what's happening here. And something weird is happening here. And what we can do now, we can return to older state, or we can fork. Fork will create a new chat copy that starts from this message. Let's give that a try. You can see it's a chat, and yeah, again, doesn't run the last command right. Something to fix. And we have a new chat copy. You can see here it's a fork, and yeah, it's single line again. We can also now export chats. You can see it down below here, export chat, and it downloads a file, chat, in JSON format. We can open it and see how internally Bold represents the chat. And let's actually try to do that. So here is the chat. You can see that there are messages. There is a role user where I asked for something. The model is here, and then assistant AI answers with things like a Bold artifact, which contain all the files and commands and all other things. So I needed to first play with this to understand how to import folders. So what we can do now is that we can import chats. Now, why exporting and importing chats is important. In free version, chats are not stored on the server. They are not persisted. They are in your browser cache. So if I would take this URL, go to incognito window and try to go there, there will be no chats here because I'm incognito. They are not saved. But now I can import them. And I can import them by going to downloads and selecting the JSON and loading them along with files and commands. We need to sadly again write the command, and it's here. And it's here even in history. So this is chat import. Now, based on that, we can also now upload folders. So we can pick a folder. Like here, I have, let's say, pick this one and upload it. It will ask like, hey, there are some files you will be uploading into it. And it will upload the file. You can see that file is here. It will also run a command if it will see that it's like a folder with index file and no package.json. And if it is with package.json, it will try to check if there are any commands it can run. It will run npm install, and it will try to run one of the commands like npm dev, npm start, and npm preview, whatever it finds. So this is how you can add files. Now, all of this is work in progress. There are bugs, not everything works, and especially if the project is large. So be warned, it's still kind of a beta, but still, you can already access it here, play around, and report if you have problems. And I'm kind of confident in the bone that you will. So this is the work I did over the last weeks. Some of it is merged into the main branch already, like ability to import and export individual chats, and also the first version of folder import. But since then, I already did some fixes, bug fixes, and refinements, which is for now in PR, and I will be making more improvements. This is all I have for you today for Bold updates. There honestly is way more out there. I'm just like focused on this. Do not have time to make a larger video today. but there are like 55 pull requests for a bunch of people fixing and improving, adding providers, and many are being merged. Like you can see that a bunch of them were merged 2 days ago. Some of them actually I helped to review and merge and test. And one of them is file and folder import first version. So anyways, that's all I have for you. Enjoy, and we'll see even more updates over next weeks. Though I guess they will slow down by New Year and Christmas. See you next time. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like. And give me a super thanks if you appreciate my work.